Hello, I am Sarah Cypress, the principal at Imagine Foundations at Morningside Public Charter School, located in Morningside, Maryland, within the Prince George's County Public School District. I'm excited to share that we have received a generous donation from the Thursday Network For Us, By Us annual book donation. At Imagine Foundations at Morningside, we believe in developing the character and enriching the minds of our scholars. And we do this through literacy, allowing our students to dream, to think, and explore through books. This generous donation arrives at the perfect time as we have just recently renovated our media center. The book donation will allow us more opportunities for our scholars to dream, to think, and explore through content that is culturally as well as historically relevant for the community that we serve. Again, we want to, on behalf of Imagine Foundations at Morningside Public Charter School, thank the Thursday Network for this generous donation, which will allow our students to continue to imagine, plan, and achieve for boundless opportunity.